So far, it's pretty straightforward. It looks like they just sit on top of this base, and then they clamp together with these clamps. See these clamps here? You just kind of like lock them in, and I think the idea is that you'll do this all the way around, and it'll lock the box in, squeeze it against this strip down here. And that'll be it. More to come. There she stands. All right, let's see what's up. See how much we got for width. 35, let's call it 36. 36 wide. A little, about 74 high. And about 35.25 out. So 35, 74 basically. Could fit anywhere. It could barely fit two people, probably two people my size. All right, guys, there it is. It's on. It's pretty hot, and I'll say it works. I don't know what you think, but it works pretty good. I've only been here 15 minutes, and I'm already dripping sweat, so definitely a success. Thank you. All right, guys, first impressions, definitely a lot different from the outdoor one. If you're accustomed doing the outdoor one, it's gonna be more intense. This one's more like a slow heat that sort of like gets into your tissue, and you don't even realize you're sweating until you see it dripping off your face. It's different. The other thing is a few things about the advertising for this thing. This MP3 player works pretty well. It's also a radio. It's got a cool radio in here, but it also is Bluetooth, which I can't connect my phone because I'm using the phone right now. But other than that, it was real good, guys. I mean, there's my sweat. I mean, couldn't ask for a better deal. This is really worth it. Like I said, it's a little different. So if you're expecting like an extreme heat like you do with an outdoor sauna or like in a facility, this is going to be different. It's not going to feel the same. It's going to feel more like a slow heat building in your muscle tissue, so it goes right to your tissue. It feels more efficient to me, if it's a good way of explaining it. And I think you're doing this together with exercising, you're good to go. All right, guys, thanks. That's how you use it. This is your on. That's the temperature that the room is at right now. And then your inside light. Okay. I guess if you want, you hook up an outside light, but no need. Then your temperature adjustment. It's already set to the max, 140. And then the time that you'll be doing it for. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this off because I already did it, but I just wanted you to see how to use it. Hey guys, if this is something you think you'll be interested in trying, link is in the bio or description down below. Thank you, appreciate it.